All right, problem number 2 on this week's warm-up. Mr. Kendall wanted to put a rectangular fence around his garden as shown in the diagram. So the fence is going to go on all 4 sides in order to go around his garden. He bought 62 3/5 meters of fence. So this is what he starts with. So he starts with $62 or 62 3/5 meters. After completing this project, how many meters of fence did he have left? So we know our answer is going to be less than this. We know it's a rectangle, so that tells us opposite sides are equivalent. So we know this side is going to be 16 52 We know this side is going to be 12 500. So if we do this, we know the distance around is all 4 sides. Common mistake is going to be only to add these 2 sides. So our plan for solving is we're going to find total distance around and we're going to subtract from what he started with. So the total distance around and subtract from what he started with. So let's find the total distance around. Well, if this side and this side are 12 500 meters, that would mean 12 500 times 2 is going to equal 24 1/10. Now we have to do 16 52 thousandths. And we're going to multiply that by 2. I ignore the decimal point until I get to my answer. That's 4, that's 10, that's 1, 12, 32. There are 3 numbers behind the decimal point in my problem. There have to be 3 behind it in my answer. So I have 32 104 thousandths. So the total distance around to find that, I'm going to add 24 1/10 plus 32 104 thousandths, and I'm going to subtract that from 62 3/5. So I have 62 3/5, subtract the sum of the distance around. So if I add these together, I get 56 204 thousandths, if I did that right. So 24 32 is 56, 10, so 2 tenths, okay? So I have 56 204 thousandths is what they used. We take that away from 62 3/5. We have to put a 0 there. Now remember, when we're adding and subtracting decimals, the decimal point comes straight down. So we're going to have a number in our thousandths place. If I have a 0 here, I can't take away 4 from 0. So I'm going to have to borrow from the thousand or hundredths place. That means now I only have 4 hundredths. I break that hundredths down into 10 parts, and that gives me 10 thousandths. And since I don't have any other thousandths, it just stays 10 thousandths. 10 thousandths minus 4 thousandths is 6 thousandths. 4 hundredths minus 0 hundredths is going to stay 4. 3 tenths minus 2 tenths is going to be 1. 56 minus 62, let's see, 56 to 60 is 4, plus 2 more is 6. So as long as I didn't make any mistakes on this, our answer should be 6 146 thousandths meters. If I made a mistake, please let me know when you watch this. You're going to watch this to check your answers, because I'll be crazy if you don't. Thank you.